Hi, I'm Brady Snow with TubeSift, and welcome to TubeSift Case Studies. We're going to break down different types of YouTube ads, businesses of all sorts, that will hopefully give you some key takeaways that you can put to use in your YouTube ads. So, first one we're doing today is Blendtec, and if you haven't heard of it, they make blenders, very powerful ones, and they're not just for smoothies. Everyone loves a blender for smoothies. But if you look at their website here, they have blenders that can make flour that you can turn into grain and bake breads and rolls of all sorts. They have nutrition, powdered fruits and vegetables. And if you take a look at all the different things you can make with their blenders, you'll see we have smoothies, juice, ice cream, frozen coffee, applesauce, nut butters, hot chocolate, cauliflower rice, hummus. I'm trying to eat healthier myself, so these would be really good. Strawberry margarita, healthy's good, but also you gotta celebrate, so that's fun. Brownies, like this looks like a very useful set of products. But anyway, so let's look at their YouTube channel. One of the best practices, one of our keys at TubeSift to having a profitable YouTube campaign is creating engaging ads. Having a dynamic YouTube channel and creating engaging ads. So if you look at their channel, they have good channel art here. It draws in your eye. There's a question. Looks fun, kind of has a game show setup. And then clearly here that you can see an ad that you can watch. Will it blend? Amazon Echo. That draws you in. That's a good title. And then they have a link here that takes you to a page where you can purchase the product. But first of all, they have these engaging ads. So let's take a look at some of those. This one, will it blend iPhone?
Will it blend? That is the question. I love my new iPhone. It does everything. But will it blend? That is the question. Let's find out. I think I'm going to push the smoothie button. I smoke. Don't breathe this. Now, you fans on YouTube have asked me to blend an iPhone, so I did it. But I have another.
So we all know iPhones. Seeing an iPhone blend is pretty exciting. They capture your attention in the first 5 seconds by asking, will it blend? They have that fun game show setup, and they got the background music, which very much captures your attention quickly and makes you want to watch more. Not only do you want to watch more, but when you do, you get to see a demonstration of the product. And if a blender can blend an iPhone, which has all these metallic parts and chips and stuff, clearly it can probably blend, fruit really well, make a great smoothie. Not to mention the margarita and all the other fun stuff you can do with it. They have a whole series of ads like this. One of my favorite ones is the glow stick. Let's take a look at that one just because it's cool.
It says on the instructions, do not puncture, cut, or bite into light stick. Now, it doesn't say don't blend the light stick. Let's turn the lights off for effect. That is a 12-hour lantern. Don't drink this.
So that's a fun ad. You can see also that they were demoing something that was potentially dangerous, light sticks. You wouldn't want to do that at home and have a kid drink it, or anyone else, clearly. So that's another best practice, adhering to policy guidelines. If you're demoing something dangerous, make a note, make a disclaimer. They clearly did that in the video. So these are some great examples of highly engaging ads, and it makes you want to watch more. So that's a great way to draw in attention. There's no right or wrong way. There's no tried and true method. You can really get creative with these things. So you can have fun with it. Product demonstrations are people's favorite things on YouTube. It's a great way to show how awesome the product is and make people want to buy it. And as you remember from their YouTube page, there's a link to the product itself where you can purchase it. Blendtec's a great example of a company using YouTube ads for the best effect. So not only do they have fun videos that you can watch of the series like that, they also have an ad itself. So as you can see, they also demoed the product for its actual purpose, and they showed a mom making smoothies for her kid. She was enjoying it herself, so this is a great product for people of all backgrounds, people of all walks of life, all age groups. They have a great collection of ads. You can go check them out on YouTube, Blendtec. We have links below on this page. Yeah, we hope that checking these ads out gave you a few tips and maybe some ideas that you can use in your own YouTube ads to achieve high ROI and drive engagement with your brand and product. So thanks for watching. Please follow us on social media if you'd like to check out more. We are posting new content every week at blog.tubesift.com, and you can check it out for free trainings on using YouTube ads. You can also see more case studies like this one from different businesses of all sorts, and also we'll be posting about industry news for digital advertising and using YouTube. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.